Do they also get vaccinated? What?
Yes, when a piglet is 3 days old, you give iron. When it's 21 days, you give vitamin, and you continue giving vitamin until even when they are big.
How often do you give the vitamin?
The vitamin, like those radiations that I gave, the next one can be monthly. Vitamin, like that, every month.
What has been the biggest illnesses that have disturbed you?
Diarrhea when they are piglets. But as adults, big pigs, I've not had any problem.
Just diarrhea when they are younger?
When they are young, they don't want to be in a dirty place. It has to be dry, not wet.
So diarrhea disturbs when they are up to like what point?
At least they outgrow that when they are over 3 months. Yes, you have to make sure they are clean, receive their vitamin and iron, and you give them enough food. You first give them, we call it chachu, maize bran, without water. Then you give water later, or you separate the water in another container.
Do you ever use antibiotics?
No, I've never even. The only medicine I've used is the one they use for measuring prevention step. It's called the pre-step. It's an antiviral. Yes, that's the one I use to measure, to prevent. At the same time, when I'm giving the 21 days vitamin, that's when I also give that one to prevent fever, infection. Actually, infection, not even fever. I've never had fever in this farm.
So you give step once?
Yes, at 21 days.
Do pigs love mud for cooling? Do they use it for cooling, or they just love mud?
They just love that water, because even when you pour water in their sty, they can go and play in that water. So they love water when it's very hot, like now, it's really hot.
It helps them cool off?
Yes. And at the same time, in the morning, they love laying in the sun. So they hate sun, 2 hot seasons, and they love the morning sunshine.
That is healthy. Which breeds do you have?
They call them white large.
White large.
That's the common name I hear people say. It's white large, but I want to grow up to Camborough. Camborough is also white, but very, very long. So that's the next breed I may introduce on the farm.
What are the characteristics of the white large breed?
It's too long. It's really long. And people buying for wholesale like it a lot. Yeah.
Oh, they like looking for white large.
Yes. The long one, they think it can give a lot of meat, probably.
Okay. What do you feed them? What do your pigs eat?
I give them maize bran. I give them posho, like leftover posho from a certain organization. And at our school, we have a lot of leftovers. Almost every day I have a full bucket of leftovers of rice, beans, meat, peas, yeah.
Does that mean that you have to pass here every day?
Yes, I come here every day to drop the feeds, to give them in the evening.
And the hormones, I don't know if people use that. Do people use hormones to grow pigs?
I've never used any. I've never done that. I do mine the normal way, local way. Organic, and the meat is so sweet because I don't put in, apart from vitamin, iron, and step.
Let's give the
Sweet banana peels, sweet potato, all those they can. If I have, those are leaves, especially for the mother pig. They like eating leaves, potato leaves, sere. I don't know how you call sere in English. It's also a weed for prevention of diseases. It's a herb kind of.
Okay, so they feed on maize bran, herbs. That's it,
And leftover food, only that.
Then how do you manage their waste?
We dry it. We put it in one place. We dry it. Since we have plants here, we use it in our gardens, here at home, and some people come and ask for it when it's dry.
Do they ask? They take it. They pay for it, or
I just give it for free.
what are the biggest challenge that you face on the farm daily?
The biggest challenge is feeding them. Takes some time. Can take from 40 minutes to 1 hour feeding. You have to be vigilant with their cleanliness. You have to take out that waste, remove the waste. If you take too long, it should be 1 day. But it should be good. It's kind of nice to remove the waste every day so it doesn't make a mat on the floor. Yes.
Now, when it comes to their breeding, how long is a sow's gestation?
Gestation is 3 months, 3 weeks.
3 months, 3 weeks.
Yes, 3 months, 3 weeks.
What is involved in preparing for farrowing or giving birth?
For you make sure the piglets will be safe, not falling off. Like last time, the rain came and some of them went outside and they died. So you just make sure there are no holes leading to outside. You put some comfort hay, grass. You put hay where it's going to lay. It can even the big pig itself can spread that hay. You just put it in a corner and it will go, and
When it's ready to.
it will know that I'm ready, and it put it by itself.
So when that pig is coming close to the time of giving birth, that's when you can put the hay in there.
Yes, you put the hay there. You see the signs and symptoms that this one today or tomorrow. Then you prepare the hay. After cleaning the room, the sty, you put the hay.
Then how are piglets identified? Yeah.
You can identify them. You see the female, you can see its genitals, and the male, you can see its genitals down on the stomach. That's a male. As early, yes.
Baby.
Yes, you see when they are peeing. When they are peeing, because they still pee at that even 1 day can pee, because they have been suckling. The first thing it does when it comes from the mother's stomach is to look for the breast, the nipples. It is very interesting to see, but that's the first thing it does.
Wow.